year for Huawei. The Chinese organization is in charge of numerous awesome telephones, yet it's infrequently given its due credit. Regardless of whether the Mate 10 changes, this can't be anticipated. However, Huawei has done its part. The Mate 10 is a champion telephone, one that is a few $100s less expensive than rivalry from Samsung, Google and Apple, and even shaves down the cost of Huawei's own super-powered Mate 10 Pro. The telephone is fueled by Huawei's bequest-made Kirin 970 processor, which offers Snort in line from what you'd get from Qualcomm's top-notch Snapdragon 835 chip. Its delightful 5.9-inch screen pops because of a 2560 by 1,440 pixel determination and the telephone's thin bezels. At long last, those double cameras shoot extraordinary pictures, see more beneath. It has its blemishes. To be specific, Huawei's defective in reprogramming the trides over Android 8.0 Oreo. Besides, the camera, while amazing, falls somewhat short of the Pixel 2 and new iPhone 8 territory. Be that as it may, that is significantly less demanding to excuse when you factor in cost. The Mate 10 retails for $899 Australian dollars in Australia, which proselytes to generally $685 in the US and £520. Huawei Mate 10 16 Duplicate 19. Huawei's Mate 10 is one fantastic phablet. That is a piece less expensive than Apple's iPhone 8 Plus, $799, £799, 1,229 Australian dollars, Google's Pixel 2 XL, $850, £799, 1,399 Australian dollars, and Samsung's Galaxy Note 8, $950, £869, 1,499 Australian dollars. In the event that the telephone were to go to the US or UK, it'd most likely be even more affordable, since those are changes from the Australian cost, and Australians quite often pay more. However, in that lies a main problem. Right now, the Mate 10 isn't authoritatively accessible in the US or UK.